Hey guys, we just got to the lake. We're about to dump the boat in for a good day of fishing. First thing we want to do with our Raptors here, we want to pair our wireless foot switch up at the bow. Nice thing, the Raptors come with 2 remotes already paired, but we want to add this to the bow so we have more control of those Raptors. So it's a real simple process. We're going to show you real quick. So we got our foot switch here, so we're going to show you how to pair it real quick. Pop this out of the package. Open up to wherever you have your hydraulic pumps. Real easy step. You press and hold the up and down buttons at the same time. The lights will start to flash. It knows it's in pairing mode. You actually come down to the Raptor and you're just going to tap the pair button. You'll hear 3 beeps, and that's how you know it's successfully paired. If you do not hear the beeps after 30 seconds, just repeat the process. So now that we've paired the switch to the Raptors, we're going to give it a quick little test and double tap down. See that they're working perfectly fine. So next thing we really need to do is just head up to the bow, snap this into our plate, and hit the water.